Ever wondered how to create a captivating connection with the girl sitting next to you? In this video, we'll delve into the art of sparking desire and building intimacy, all while keeping it respectful and enjoyable for both of you. Ready to uncover the secrets to making her heart race in a comfortable and consensual way? Let's explore the art of connection together. Number 1, sit close. Building a connection with someone involves a careful approach focused on comfort and respect. When you're near a girl you're interested in, finding subtle ways to engage physically can help strengthen the bond. The secret is to make these moments feel effortless and genuine. Now, usually this is the part where I ask you to like the video and subscribe to the channel, but let's be honest, you guys who love my content have probably already done that, right? Still, if you haven't yet, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll wait. Done? Awesome, let's get back to the video. A great strategy is to find reasons to sit close to her without making your intentions too obvious. Instead of directly stating your interest, look for opportunities to share something fun or interesting. For example, if you're at a restaurant, you could sit next to her to show a funny meme or an intriguing article. The idea is to create a natural context for being close. If you're already seated next to each other, use similar tactics to share things with her. Moving closer under the guise of making it easier to show her something can help build a physical connection without drawing too much attention. This could mean making sure your arms or legs gently touch hers, creating a subtle but meaningful link. Number 2, keep her interested. Keeping someone interested when you're sitting close to them is key for a successful interaction. Imagine you've managed to sit next to her. Now the challenge is to keep the conversation engaging and enjoyable. The first rule is to avoid letting things get dull. Boredom can quickly create a barrier, so keep the atmosphere lively and dynamic. Laughter is your ally here. If she's smiling, you're on the right path. Just remember, don't overdo it or force humor. Let it flow naturally. A great tip is to share a little secret. It doesn't have to be anything major, just something personal that you're comfortable revealing. This creates a sense of intimacy and connection. By confiding in her, you're building trust and making her feel special, like she's part of a private moment. People generally appreciate this level of openness, but it's important to gauge the situation to ensure the secret is appropriate for the context. When you share this secret, your physical closeness helps build emotional ties. Speaking in hushed tones or leaning in subtly signals that what you're saying is for her ears only. It's a subtle but effective way to foster a closer connection. However, it's essential to pay attention to her reactions. If she pulls away or seems uncomfortable, it's a sign that you might need to reassess and adjust your approach. Number 3, start talking flirty. Engaging in a flirtatious conversation requires a delicate balance where subtlety is key. Once you've established a comfortable connection through casual conversation, the next step is to introduce a playful and flirty vibe. This doesn't mean jumping straight into overly explicit compliments. Instead, aim for the middle ground where your intentions are clear but still respectful. Begin by complimenting her in a way that's both genuine and understated. Pay attention to the details and express your appreciation for them. A simple comment like, "You smell great," or noting the texture of her shirt can make a positive impact. Remember, in this situation, less is often more. You're not writing an elaborate ode, you're simply sprinkling hints of admiration. Number 4, touch her fingers. Building a connection with someone you're interested in requires a delicate balance of charm and respect. When it comes to physical touch, subtlety is crucial. Rather than following a rigid set of steps, focus on going with the flow and staying attuned to the other person's comfort. Smoothness, a quality that not everyone possesses, can make these interactions feel natural and effortless. One way to subtly initiate physical contact is by finding opportunities to touch her fingers. For example, when you hand her your phone, ensure that your hands touch during the exchange. This simple act can create a connection without making it obvious or uncomfortable. It's about being present in the moment and letting things progress naturally. Number 5, whisper in her ear. Imagine this scenario. You're out somewhere, maybe at a movie theater, a club, or a bar. It's noisy, and you have something important to share with the girl sitting next to you. Here's your move. Lean in and whisper in her ear. This classic technique can create a moment of intimacy, but it requires careful execution. First, be mindful of the surroundings and her reactions. Check her body language. If she's leaning in, smiling, or showing signs of interest, you're on the right track. If she looks uncomfortable or gives you the side eye, it's best to back off. Now let's get into the details. When whispering, make it personal. Lightly touch her neck or let your lips gently graze her ear. Remember, don't go overboard. Stay respectful. The goal is to create a bit of intimacy without crossing any boundaries. Number 6, reach out from across her. Excuse yourself politely and reach for something, subtly bringing your whole body closer to hers. This move can spark curiosity, making her wonder what you might do next. It's important to be mindful of boundaries. As you lean in, let your arm, not your hand, lightly graze her. This subtle touch can create a sense of intimacy without being intrusive. When reaching over, aim for a casual touch like a gentle graze. The goal is to make her feel a connection without making her uncomfortable. Always keep her comfort level in mind and be attentive to her reactions. Number 7, build her reciprocation. Creating reciprocation in a romantic interaction involves mirroring and building a connection. If she's into you, she'll respond to your cues and actions. Picture this. You're sitting together and you initiate some light touches or move a bit closer. If she's feeling the same vibe, she'll likely reciprocate. Observe her reactions closely. Is she leaning in when you talk? Does she touch you back or get physically closer? These are signs she's engaged and enjoying the interaction. Think of it as a dance where you take a step and she matches it. This reciprocity can be subtle, like her mimicking your body language, or more obvious, such as initiating physical contact. When you notice this reciprocation, it's your cue to play along and gradually escalate things. Maybe she starts talking in your ear or becoming more physically affectionate. Now's the time to reciprocate. Feel the energy between you two and respond accordingly. If she's comfortable with your touches, you can gently place your hand on her leg or shoulder. Number 8, take it further. When it's time to take things to the next level, it's important to gauge her comfort levels and proceed with respect. Begin with an intimate conversation in a quiet setting, sharing your thoughts, feelings, and desires openly to create a deeper connection. Use gentle touches or soft kisses on her ear to heighten the intimacy without crossing boundaries. As the chemistry builds, pay close attention to her responses. If she reciprocates the energy, express your desires in a way that makes her feel wanted and appreciated. The key is to be bold, yet respectful, ensuring she feels in control of the situation. Physical touch is crucial in building anticipation. Lightly graze your lips against her skin to ignite a sense of longing. As the moment progresses, be attuned to her comfort level. If she starts feeling a physical response, proceed with care. Communication is essential. If she's not ready or suggests taking it slow, respect her wishes. If she's open to the idea, make sure the progression feels natural and consensual for both of you. Building trust and comfort is paramount, and advancing your relationship should always be a shared experience that strengthens the connection between you and your partner. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our channel. We've got some amazing content for you. See you in our next video. Have a damn good day.